guys, we're back. This is our YouTube channel. We're at the place called Bullish Burger. It's a Bullish Burger. It's a recent open place, 2-month-old, and they're selling burgers. There's a chicken smashed burger, and there's a beef burger smashed, and there's a vegetarian burgers, and they serve it with milkshake, chips, variety of drinks. So we come to taste it and see what they bring on the table. Is it smashed or is it passed? So fellas, I'm gonna give you that review, and let's stick to it and see how far we can take this thing. I'm here with my homeboy anyway.
What's up, guys?
Just tell them we're back again.
We're back again with another banger here in Bullish Burgers. We are based in Plum State. 3 Arts Africa shopping center over here. It's just close to Vida.
Yes, to Nando's.
It's close to Vida, close to Sweet Beat. You know, you will get confused, but you have to get in Vida and you have to ask, hey guys, where's the Bullish Burgers? Then they will show you where's the Bullish Burgers. And I hope to give you guys the best content ever. And that's it. I'm looking forward to taste the burgers. Cheers. Yes, that quantity, yes.
There's the jalapeno. I can even see jalapeno in there.
How much you think? Good. Oh my gosh.
Let's give that. The beggars, I need you to give me bites. I'll take a video. That's what this is must be chicken one. That's the one. No, I said good. You take a bite. Oh, it's shit, I'm recording. Everything is in the cheese. It's the cheese too for me, man. The cheese, no?